horse is on high alert. It's something down there. I don't know what it is. We did see turkeys a little while ago. I don't know. But at any rate, this is an opportunity. So whenever my horse is nervous about something, we're going to keep them facing it, okay? Because if they turn tail, they're going to run. Now, this horse has been through this once or twice, all kinds of different things, different wildlife and whatever. So I'm just letting her think and process a little bit, okay? And I'm really going on feel here. I'm trying to feel what's her body telling me, right? And really just reading the signals. So I'm waiting for that head to go down a little bit, for her to take a big sigh. There's the head starting to come down a little. And a lot of this really comes from me, right? If I can relax and try to feed her some calm, be that leader, and that will make her better. And again, this is a pretty good horse. She's not green by any means, but just asking her to keep thinking, okay? So now she's softened up. I know you guys can't feel that, but I'm going to ask her to step up. And again, I have no idea what's up there. It could be anything. Easy. She's thinking about running by it. Easy. Still looking. Right? Who knows what it is? We have everything from a lot of deer to bears. Who knows? But at any rate, she's wondering, so I'm just going to ask her to just process through. She's not super sure, so I'm actually going to bring her back. Bring her back here, because a lot of times we just have to face our fears, right? We can't just run from them all the time. We can't just... There, she's looking away. So that's telling me that she's working through this. Processing through. I don't know what she sees up there. It's getting close to dark, so the animals kind of all over the place. But you're okay, Kelly. What do you think? We'll walk on down the trail. There we go. Right. Everything is an opportunity in life if we see it that way. Right. Everything is an opportunity if we look at it as something to make ourselves better, something to make our horses better, to stretch out our comfort zones. So, just kind of a fun thing that was happening in real time. I thought I'd video it for you guys. Until next time, ride the next stride. See you down the trail.